I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly why and when your account was suspended. Check the app's notification and the email tied to the account and save screenshots. These are evidence. Once done, list the account identifiers, email, phone, user ID, and the device you used. Make sure to note any content or actions that may have triggered the ban because that will shape your response. This preparation shortens appeals and prevents vague explanations that slow the process. You should file an appeal using the app's official form or support email, not social posts. Clearly state your account ID, the exact incident you believe caused the ban, and attach the screenshots you saved. Explain why the content complied with rules or what you fixed. Be concise and factual. Once submitted, note the ticket number, expected response window, and set reminders to follow up. This shows professionalism and increases the chance of a timely review. If your appeal succeeds, you'll need to adopt safer habits. Enable two-factor authentication, review community rules, and remove any borderline content. If the appeal is denied, ask support for the exact policy citations and whether you can reapply with additional evidence. Document that reply. Once you've waited a reasonable timeframe, consider a structured follow-up or escalation through the same official channels. Troubleshooting tip: if responses stall, politely request a ticket update before trying alternate contact methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.